We've got a new arrival today, and that is a swivel. It is number 8 and capacity is 18 kg. Some of us might be wondering what is the swivel. So here I'll be explaining about the swivel and how to tie it. A swivel is a line attachment where you attach the main line from one end of the swivel and the front line from the other end of the swivel. Why is a swivel important? A swivel allows the line to rotate freely and increases the strength of the line and preventing it from curling while rotating. Now let me show you how to tie a line to the swivel in a simple way.